DJM TV.
BUHARI no promise say im go make 1 naira equal to $1. Femi Adesina. My betalicious somebody there. After you, now you again. Now your side. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the time we be like say this video, take reach your side. We believe say you did well. As you watch this video, we thank you now well. They always they click on our videos, they follow us for this Ogbonge channel will be DJM TV Daily News. This is our daily news update, and the story of the sup right now be saying 2015 when campaign matter come aside, you can't get one campaign like say APC use. They can't use that line say it is very shameful. Say $1, so that time at 230 naira. Say if they vote Oga Bubu into power, he go make 1 naira equal to $1. All of us of the country we hear that. Everybody we read that. Now the problem with the grand now, what did they happen now? So just the choice matter be say, Oga Femi Adesina will be the special advisor to the president on media and publicity. Don't talk say he not get any time like say Oga Bubu administration promised to make 1 naira equal to $1. He thought say the claim where they suggest say President Muhammadu Buhari make such promises say na false. For inside one interview when he do with news people, Oga Femi say it does not exist. It is fake. It is false. It is apocryphal. It doesn't exist. Wait till be all this already be fake, false, apocryphal. Wait till they talk. Say people wait to say Oga Bubu say he go make 1 naira equal to $1. Oga Adesina said the Minister of Information, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, don't talk say this claim where there was a toss say Oga Bubu say 1 naira $1. In fact, several times they don't challenge people with this issue. Anybody will come with clips and publication, make them make them available. Oga Lai Mohammed, they always they fight people online. Yeah, you know, say the Minister of talk, so they always use word, they fight people. Anybody come out and say, but Oga Bubu promise us say 1 naira go equal to $1. You see, Oga Bubu not talk like that. Oga Adesina doctor say negative criticism where they directed at the president and the administration. Now, because in Nigerians no one stop to dwell on the negative. He say if the country need to forge ahead for progressive path, we need to stop to dwell solely on the negative where they happen for the country. And we need to look at the positive side. Oga Adesina will be the president special media AD argue say silver lining dey for the sky. He say and it typical of Nigeria. He say when the break in the cloud come, nobody they always they talk about, and only the bad things then Nigeria people they always they talk about. Adesina comment they come on the heels of one assertion when we say former Vice President Atiku Abubakar make following one recent reported bill like say they tag Nigeria as a nation with the highest unemployment rate in the world. Nigeria don't win award though, in case you never hear. Award, I say nobody will ever win that award, but Nigeria don't break record, don't win the award as the country for the whole world they get the highest rate of unemployment. And this one I make former Vice President Atiku Abubakar come react on one statement say the present Nigerian government lack the capacity to address issues where they face the country. The People's Democratic Party presidential candidate for the last election don't call on stakeholders and elders for Nigeria to help to rescue this country because it also the way the country be now so akamukana they come for the country. If people know come outside call say make we help our country. When they call us Oga Adesina say, what do you think about wetin Oga Atiku talk? Adesina talk say all the nation for the world they experience bad things, not only Nigeria. I mean, not gonna be like saying a family problem or village people now they follow Nigeria. He say all the country for the world they get their own village people problem, and if it become focus, then there will be many more to talk about. You understand? He also say they'll also get plenty positive things for inside Nigeria, and he call out the fact that Nigeria must look out for the sharing reports and encourage themselves. See, me Nigeria they look for optimistic reports then, and it go help not only the individual but go also help the government to quicken it. So like the government they do. The spokesman Adesina also urged people wey dey criticize the government say make dem give Oga Bubu small rope na make dem still cut the guy some slack, make dem give Nigeria small credit say Nigeria dey make progress. He come say although say the thing dey slow, e dey slower than wetin people dey talk about, say but surely the change dey come. Oga Adesina point out one fact say yes, Nigeria dey make progress, say but the progress dey slow. In fact, even dey slower than we want. Say but things dey look up. But from the things wey we dey see so, we no know whether na only we Nigeria dey help ourselves or na the government dey help the country. Because the way e be like so, everybody for Nigeria dey try to survive. Na be the truth. Everybody dey hustle to make am for Nigeria. Na mean some people dey go shook hand for bad thing. I no dey support them o, but na the way the thing be, you understand. Now during that campaign we see billboards like this one where they say it's 269 naira to $1. Is it okay? It's time to speak out. Let's vote for change. What did they mean? Because I say we will make the naira equal to the dollar. What do you mean? Nah, this Oga Femi Adesina come outside now. You know, we need to ask these guys some kind of critical question because some Nigerians don't react, say they don't even know the color of this guy problem right now. Because things will be like say we hear with our own personal ear. Another person they cut us say, what we hear, we don't hear and where. How you come out and they cut that kind of word? You know that kind of thing. Everybody vex, people they react, say, this guy Adesina will never understand how much they pay you. Because it be like say, we know they get you. Now you the one they talk about Oga Lai Mohammed. Oga Lai Mohammed wait to say now he said the party said APC said Buhari only described the economic situation where the value of the naira dropped to 230 naira. Then for 2015 as unacceptable. Right now, $1 is over 400 naira for bank. If you go black market, now almost 500 naira for $1 right now. At the time when they started the campaign, dollar was 230 naira. That time that they say that they ask us, is it okay? Nigerians would shout, no. How they go say $1, 230 naira? We need change. We want vote so that $1 go be 1 naira. If it not be 1 naira, I think $1 go be 10 naira. So we talk. That time, the Deputy Director of Policy and Strategy of the APC campaign organization, Mr. Bolaji Abdullahi, come make clarification for one of their closing session of Nigeria political party debate series. Say, on the issue of General Buhari saying that he will bring naira at par with dollar, he said, I want to say clearly that General Buhari never said so. He did not say so. If you are implying on a media report, I want to say that we are protesting to the media organization that reported that. He was only saying that it is unacceptable that dollar will be exchanging for 230 naira. More pause for you. As at 2015, they say they unacceptable for $1 to be 230 naira. It's unacceptable. It's not at. In fact, they said before that time, dollar be like a 185 naira. It's unacceptable. Okay, what about now? Is it acceptable? Say dollar now 430 naira for $1 because the whole thing now, because they make us be like say we don't know wetin we hear or we don't know wetin they talk. We don't forget. If I might read one of the statements, say it is sad. That the value of the naira has dropped to more than 230 naira to $1. This does not speak well for the nation's economy. Buhari stated this during the Southeast presidential rally at the party at the Dan Ayiman Stadium in Owerri. I don't read that for now. You dey see am so. Although some media outlets don't go, they don't report this news that they don't go remove the news from their from their site. May not bless not their mouth, neither for hear the matter. So now God Femi Adesina don't come as I got to say all those things so we hear that and I lie you. Not be Oga Buhari talk, and maybe another person I talk the word. Say but not be this our president I talk that word, or our president not to say he go make 1 naira equal to $1. My people, shook your mouth for inside this matter. That way you talk this thing, you hear him. Now true, I be not lie. Oga Femi they talk truth now. I be in they try to do a pakpagolo with us because we never understand where we dey. Drop your comment for the comment section. Don't forget to like and to share this video. This is still DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for all your news where they happen inside Nigeria and all around the world. Don't forget to subscribe, I beg. Turn on the notification bell so that you will be one of the first persons to know say better don't land for inside DJM TV. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter at DJM TV. Also follow us on Instagram at DJM TV News. Then go TikTok, may you follow us at Ikpakan for TikTok. We did there at DJM TV. Still check our website at www.djmtv.news. Then may you not forget say you fit still place your advert with us. And you dey rest assured say as you place your advert, your market go far well. Because I say we get wide reach. You get the matter now, you know how they be. Then if you get any event, you say, okay, I dey find who go cover my event for me. DJM TV, we did there for you. Well, now here we take come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. I still remember your girl, Lawuru Favor, and I dey tell you, say this life, not today hidden under the sun. You get one day now, one day. Pikin when the mama dey sell shako go truly wear white clothes. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.